everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 23rd to 27th of March 2026 on Monday. Fikile is struggling. Ntando discovers G-Walk in illicit operation. Ayanda goes on a date only to be discovered. Melo next Lulu into helping her with the Easter campaign on Tuesday. Kagiso tried to convince Ayanda to give microdosing a shot. Fanyana wants Melo's approval at his art. Melo, with Lulu's help, comes up with her own touring ad. Mzimkhulu's manipulative ways are increasingly overt. Sebe gets a surprise visit. G-Walk takes matters into his own hands on Wednesday. Jack put G-Walk in charge of Swazi Notle. Since there is a story behind Sebe and Mzimkhulu. Sebe is thrown when her gogo arrives. Melo's in a car accident on Thursday. Mpho digs for information from Melo about her accident. Mzimkhulu makes Nomasebe promise not to discuss their relationship with Gogo Grace. G-Walk pulls one over Fikile. Jack struggling to come with terms with the new living arrangement on Friday. Fikile is determined to cut ties with Jack, but it's not that simple. Sam is intrigued by the weird dynamics between Nomasebe and Mzimkhulu. Nomasebe finally tells Gogo Grace how she really feels. Moache urges Gia to accept the pastor's invitation. Ayanda has her first experience with microdosing. Mpho and Melo gets news. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.